Hey guys, so in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and teach you how you can cancel your Planet Fitness membership. Now, um, Planet Fitness does make it quite tricky for you to actually cancel your membership. They try to make it a little bit fishy. You can't cancel it on your phone. I know most of you guys are probably trying to cancel it on your phone, and I'm going to tell you right now, there isn't a single option on the phone to actually cancel it, at least in the app. But you can cancel it on your phone still. You don't have to call. Let's say you don't want to call, all right? I know a lot of us don't want to call, waste our time, does all of that, a bunch of run around. They try to upsell you. But if you're trying to cancel, you're going to have to head over to your Safari and go to the desktop website of Planet Fitness and sign in. Now, look for your membership details, and right there should be an option for you to actually cancel on your Planet Fitness membership. You can see that I've already canceled it, and basically my membership is going to expire soon. So basically, that's how you go ahead and do it. That's how you cancel your Planet Fitness membership. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Maybe this was the option you were looking for to cancel your Planet Fitness membership without calling. Thank you guys for watching.